Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to check your saved files on the Everand application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy of to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and go to the lower bar, click to the saved button next to the discover, and here you can check your saved files in the titles button. You can check your books, you can check the availability, the formats, and you can add the different filters, and you can continue the reading. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.